Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to create a talking avatar like mine for your own YouTube channel. Before that, some of my friends want to say hello.
Good morning everyone. This is Avatar Taylor Swift. How do I look? Sorry, but I wasn't expecting the camera would be rolling at this early morning. So Emma and I were invited here for a slumber party and it was awesome. Okay, I'm gonna have coffee with the girls, but hey, please do me a favor. Show some love and subscribe to this channel, okay?
Hi. This is Avatar Emma Stone. Taylor, I so agree with you that Slumber Party was so much fun. I know my voice isn't quite as close to my original voice, but I'm giving this an A for the effort of my morning looks. And please subscribe to Ms. Zhao's YouTube channel.
Thank you, AI Taylor and Emma. Yes, we will definitely do this again. Hopefully next time your voices will sound better, but hey, remember I'm still learning.
Okay.
Please don't think I'm delusional. Taylor Swift and Emma Stone are two of my fave Hollywood celebrities, and I'm just amazed I could be with them, at least in the AI world. Okay, so now let's get down to business and let me show you how I created me as a talking avatar. I think I may have a disclaimer on each of my videos that I'm a super beginner, so my process isn't perfect and could be disorganized. But hey, I'm here talking to you now. To create a talking avatar, we first need a face. So to do that, we will generate the image that we can use for our avatar. My go-to for generating images is bluewillow.ai. Let's go to bluewillow.ai and click Join the Beta Free to join Discord. Select a username, complete the verification process, and input the required personal details. Bluewillow.ai, as described on their website, is a free AI artwork generator that creates stunning AI-generated images. I've tried a number of platforms, but so far I have been enjoying here. And finish signing up. My system is a bit slow, so bear with me a bit. After you get verified on Discord, it will take you to the Discord dashboard. Click on the blue willow icon to the left side. As a beginner, it would be good for you to read through Server Guide and the Getting Started. I did all that just to make sure we don't break rules and to utilize the portal better. Once you're done, you can head to Rookie Channel. You can browse through the channel and see the images for inspiration. And if you're ready, in the same Rookie Channel type, a prompt starting with /imagine prompt, followed by text describing the AI pic you want. Okay, time to generate our own image. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm a fan of Taylor Swift, so I'm going to be using her as my avatar for the purpose of this tutorial. You can be as creative as you can be. Once we submitted our prompt, let's wait for our image and let the magic of Blue Willow AI begin. Okay, so now we got 4 images to choose from, and I'm going to pick one that I think is best for the avatar. Hey there, if you're still here and watching, don't just sit there like a potato like me. It's time to become a part of our YouTube family. Hit that subscribe button and join us for awesome true stories. My journey as I learn AI and tips on finance, making money, saving money, and sometimes cats. I'll be bringing you fresh and exciting content each week, guaranteed to make you smile and hopefully forget about your boss. Just kidding. Don't forget to hit the little bell icon too. That way you won't miss any of my latest video drops. So let's head off to Hagen to make our image talk by clicking Upload Talking Photo. Once the image is uploaded, click on the photo and click Create Avatar Template. You can customize your avatar by removing the background, choosing the voice you want from the voice library of Hagen. Now let's make her talk. Very important to know that Hagen has ChatGPT that can assist you with your script. I usually make my own scripts, but I can't deny that ChatGPT really helps script writing faster. I use it to improve my own scripts though. If you're happy with the script, you can click Submit. Note that as a free user, you get to have 1 credit, which you can use for a maximum of 1-minute video. I'm a paid user, so you can see that I still have around 14 plus minutes at the time of making this video. Now we have a talking avatar. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that somehow I have given you some knowledge on how creating your own avatar can help you with your content creation. Because honestly, it's helping me big time. Will I make money from this? I hope. But right now, I am happy to be learning. And if I do make some money, I will definitely update you here.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is Avatar Taylor Swift, now signing off for Ms. Joe.